We just have two more tables of data to bring in. These are the store transactions tables for 2022 and 2023. As these CSV files are structured in the same way, we can use an option to bring the data into the data model as one table. To do this, we can create a new Store Transactions folder by copying the two separate tables into this folder. By selecting the folder option from the Get Data button, we can bring both tables together. Once we have selected the folder, we want to select the Combine button and choose Combine and Transform Data. This will bring the tables in the folder as one table bearing the folder name. We see a dialog box that allows us to preview the data in each table to ensure that they are structured in the same format. We select OK. This now loads the table into the Power Query editor to allow us to transform the data. An additional column has been added showing the name of the source file. We do not need that column for our report, so we will remove it. It is worth noting that Power Query has analyzed the first original column of the data, which is the transaction date column, and assigned it the data type date. However, be careful. Remember that it is by default only basing its analysis on the first 200 rows. This date is in American format, but the first 200 rows show transactions on January 1st. The regional setting of the computer this demonstration is being done on is the United Kingdom. So, the format needs to be corrected. We, therefore, need to remove the Change Type step in the Query Settings pane and then reset the data type using the Locale option that we explained in an earlier lesson for both the transaction and stock date columns. Notice also that the other columns also have the incorrect data type assigned. We will change the data type to a whole number for all the table's other columns. This is important because if we do not have the correct data type assigned to Product ID, Customer ID, Store ID or Quantity columns, it will not be possible to join them to the other tables successfully. Now, our data looks good. So, we will select Close and apply to load it into our data model. Alternatively, we could have brought each of the Store Transactions tables one by one into Power Query, and then using the Append button in the Combine group on the Home ribbon, we could have appended the 2023 table to the end of the 2022 table to form one single table.